Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert draft watermark on all page in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show insert draft watermark in all page. Now go into the view menu option. Now click. Then click for master page option. Then go into the insert button option, then click for draw text box. Now draw a text box. Now type from text. Now select from change the size. Now go into the text color option. Now NSS color. Now move the middle point. The row. Rotate from text. Now click for close the master page option. That is. Now you can see show the all page in draft watermark is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.